Hey there, welcome back. So today we will talk about anonymous object. Now before we start with anonymous inner class, it would be rather better if I show you what exactly is a anonymous object. Now before starting with anonymous object, it would be rather better to understand what does anonymous word mean. This means nameless. If there is some element whose name is nothing, the name is not present, then it is known as anonymous, right? So let's navigate to, for example, shop.java file, and we won't require any special project in order to show you a nameless object. And in here we would be demonstrating by updating this program only that how we can make use of a anonymous object. Now friends, if we check this class in here, in line number 11 we are creating an object, and using this object we are accessing a method inside the class in our if block. Now moving forward, the usage of anonymous object is limited. Whenever we know that we would be making use of the object only once, in those kind of scenario we can make use of anonymous object. As the name suggests, there is no name to object, and as there is no name to object, we won't be able to access the object later down the line, right? So in this scenario, as we are only accessing the method inside the class once, we can make use of an anonymous object. Alright, so now let's comment out this statement. We don't require the object and we will get rid of this object, and in place of this if statement where there was the name of the object, we will simply type in new door and pair of parentheses. Now in here, in this statement, we are creating a object, but we are not assigning the object to a actual reference. As a result, we are creating a nameless object, and we are then directly accessing the method, and as a result we are able to achieve our target. Let me show you the output. So our program should work without an issue, and it is taking some time. Let us wait for a minute, and here we go. So here is the output, which is perfect. So this is how we can create a nameless object and use it. So this is all for today's video. In our next video, we will check out interesting topic, which is anonymous inner class. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching and take care.